Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that's out of this world. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to have you join us for another episode packed with the latest space news and updates. We've got a lot to cover today, from the moon's current phase to some exciting developments in private space companies. But first, let's take a look at what's happening in our lunar neighbor. As of February 6th, the moon is in its waning gibbous phase with about 80% of its surface illuminated. This means that if you step outside tonight, you should be able to see some amazing details on the moon's surface, including the Mare's Vaporum and Imbrium, as well as the Aristarchus Plateau. But that's not all. We've also got some updates from the world of private space companies. SpaceX is gearing up for its next Starship flight, with ground teams at Starbase in Texas rolling out the Super Heavy booster for a series of checkouts ahead of the launch. This will be the first launch of SpaceX's upgraded Block 3 Starship, which promises to be more reliable than its predecessor. Meanwhile, NASA is dealing with some setbacks of its own, including delays to the Artemis program and issues with the Space Launch System rocket. And in other news, China is preparing to launch a mysterious spaceplane on a Long March 2F rocket, although details about the mission are scarce. From the latest developments in space technology to the most stunning astronomical discoveries, we've got you covered. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. Today, we're exploring the vast expanse of the universe and our place within it. In a new book titled A Brief History of the Universe and Our Place in It, particle physicist Sarah Alam Malik takes us on a journey through the cosmos, from the ancient Babylonians tracking the movements of the sun, moon, and stars to the latest discoveries in dark matter and quantum mechanics. As we delve into the history of cosmology, we find that Malik's approach is distinct from that of Stephen Hawking, who published A Brief History of Time back in 1988. While Hawking's book was a seminal work that explored the intricacies of black holes and the universe, Malik's book takes a broader brush, painting a wide picture of the universe and its many wonders. One of the strengths of Malik's book is its ability to bring to life the people behind the discoveries. We meet Dmitry Mendeleev, who created the periodic table while visiting a cheese factory, and Fritz Zwicky, who posited the existence of dark matter in the 1930s, but was so disagreeable that his idea didn't catch on for decades. We also learn about the contributions of Islamic astronomers during the Middle Ages, as well as women like Vera Rubin, who overcame widespread misogyny to carry out groundbreaking work on galactic rotation curves. As we journey through the book, we find that Malik's tone is not only informative, but also awe-inspiring. She writes about the marvel of human existence, where we can comprehend worlds far removed from our own, and the humility that comes with recognizing that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. The book takes us on a tour of the cosmos, from the macro to the micro, exploring galaxies, black holes, and the subatomic world. Malik's expertise in dark matter shines through, and her writing is clear and concise, making complex concepts accessible to a wide range of readers. As we near the end of this segment, I'm reminded that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Malik's book is not only a brief history of the universe, but also a testament to human curiosity and our drive to explore and understand the cosmos. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and technology, we find ourselves at the intersection of two giants, SpaceX and xAI. In a deal that's been making waves in the tech industry, these two powerhouses have come together in a $125 trillion merger, fast-tracked after SpaceX achieved a technical breakthrough in orbital data centers last fall. Imagine a network of satellites orbiting our planet, each one a node in a vast interconnected web of data and information. This is the vision that SpaceX has been working towards, and with their recent breakthrough, they've taken a significant step closer to making it a reality. By combining their satellite prowess with xAI's cutting-edge technology, the possibilities become endless. As Elon Musk took the stage at the World Economic Forum, he emphasized the potential of this merger to revolutionize the way we think about data and communication. With SpaceX's orbital data centers, we could see a new era of cloud computing, where data is stored and processed in orbit around the Earth rather than on terrestrial servers. But what does this mean for us as we gaze up at the stars and contemplate our place in the universe? It means that we're on the cusp of a new era of space-based innovation, one that could bring about unprecedented advances in fields like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and renewable energy. It's a reminder that the boundaries between space exploration and technological advancement are blurring, and that the future of humanity is inextricably linked to our ability to explore and understand the cosmos. As we look out into the vast expanse of space, we're reminded of the infinite possibilities that await us. The merger between SpaceX and XAI is just the beginning, a first step towards a future where humanity has become a multi-planetary species with a presence in orbit around the Earth and beyond. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.